Hey everyone, Yamaha Technician Sam here. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on how to clean and lube and adjust your chain. So first of all, I'd like to check and make sure that the chain adjustment is all okay. I normally do the basic 3-finger technique at the bottom of the chain guide here. And then as you can see, this one's all good to go. If you do need to tension the chain, we have the adjustment points right here, which would be from undoing the axle and adjusting via the 2 nuts and bolts on each side. Given that we don't need to do that right now, I'll be going straight into the cleaning part, which I use my 2 Yamaha products here, which is one, the cleaning spray and my lubricate spray. So first things first, I get the cleaning spray. I'd like to give it a good soak all over, let the degreaser in the spray do its work to remove any of the old lube and dirt applied on the chain. Once that's covered completely, I get myself my brush here. Just pick up all that dirt and grime and old chain lube. Always like to go over it with a rag as a quick wipe down. And finally, last but not least, we've got the Yamalube chain lubricant spray here. Nice big coating, nice and thick, you can see run through. I always like to spray on the inside of the chain so it can work its way through to the outside. And make sure you clean as you go as well. Don't leave mess like this. Once you cleaned up your mess and all the excess lube, you'll go over your bolts, make sure your adjusters are tight, you haven't forgotten nothing, and you're ready to ride again.